Good morning, student. Now I am here continue to provide you the video. My dear students, in my first video we have discussed and I have shown you through the map about the different physical feature of India. Now students, as we have seen there that any changes that we see over the earth's surface is a result of withering of rocks and depositional activity. Okay, how it happened under the different climatic conditions. Mountain stone students break down, which is later carried out for a longer distance. Okay, and it is deposited in the area which is very lower. We now student, today we have to discuss about the tectonic plates. These plates are students, the lithospheric tectonic plates consisted two part, crust and mantle. Okay, and below mantle students there is magmas, a liquid, hot liquid that generate conventional current, and due to the conventional current these lithospheric plate, I mean the tectonic plates, break down, drift, fold, several activity took place there, and that students brought the changes in the outer surface of the earth. Okay, so mainly students we will see through the topic here video that how this happened. Okay student, that's why let's see the clip. Now let's see students, this is a greater Himalaya. Now we will see that how it has been formed. Today we see the world map in this way, but students there was the time when these all entire land masses was all together known as a Pangea. That was known as a Pangea students, which is in course of time separated, and the first time the students this is the tectonic plate was given by the Wengler, a geologist students, who recognized that this plate with the time drift, fault and break down into various pieces, and that is what is separated. And still today if these all plates are connected to each other, it will have just like a Pangea in one plate. Okay, see students, the later there was the two plate students, Laurasia and Gondwana plate, and this plate students was the bigger plate, and Gondwana consisted not only India but Australia and Africa. Okay, Australia and Africa students, that all was the part of the Gondwana land for a larger time. Okay, these all were the part, but you can see here that India, Australia was on the same plate students, but continuous of breaking of these tectonic plates now separated Australia and India from each other. So this happened due to the conventional forces that I will teach you this time, and that is why the different tectonic plate was separated, and it is estimated that if it is once again connected to each other, it will form a student's Pangea once again. Okay, so India students, which was located to the south, see how this molten magma students cause, and due to the collision of the plate students they fold and form created a lofty mountain like the Himalaya. This is fold students. Okay, and the very same time students, see Indian plates are moving toward the north still, and that is why we find that it is students now pressing under the Himalaya, and that is why Himalaya getting students high day by day, inch by inch students, it is getting high. Okay, so these all happen students, it is because the still the movement of plate students are, and the formation of Himalaya is. Okay, now I hope that you will understand student. Now as you have seen students the video, and what you find there we have noticed that how these tectonic plates have the different movement due to the conventional force which is generated by the hot magmas, and it students brought the change in outer surface. Now I am going to explain every Indian feature that how it origin. Take first Himalaya. Okay, so as you have seen that millions year ago there was the only one land masses that we called Pangea, and these Pangea, due to the conventional forces and other internal activities, break into various break into the different tectonic plates, Indo-Australian plate, African plate, Pacific plate, like this or that. But millions year ago we see that there was the two main plate, Gondwana plate and Eurasia. Okay, Eurasia was located to the north and Gondwana plate was located to the south. Gondwana plate, students, have its movement toward the north, and between these two plate lies elongated sea, Tethys sea, students. So due to the coming of, or due to the convergent motion of these two plate, Tethys sea, students, began to fold. Okay, and ultimately when these two plate, Gondwana plate and Eurasian plate, collide each other, resulted the formation of Himalaya. Okay, this is called the fold mountain and young mountain. Okay, so why it is called the fold and young mountain, students? You may be asked question, why it is called young and fold mountain. So it is, students, estimated that the formation of Himalaya is students now later after the formation of the other mountain. It is considered the young mountain. That is why it is called the young mountain, because it formed later after the formation of different mountain, students. It is called the fold mountain because it has been formed due to the pressure. अब कोई भी वस्तु पर आप प्रेशर डालोगे दोनों तरफ से तो स्वाभाविक वो फोल्ड होगा, ठीक है. दैट इज वाई इट इज कॉल्ड द फोल्ड माउंटेन. बिसाइड इट इज कॉल्ड द यंग माउंटेन. देयर इज आल्सो एग्जांपल, स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज हिमालय, if we see, there is a lots of glacierate, है ना, there is the rift valley too. So this is considered that this could happen only in a new mountain. That is why it is called it is called young and fold mountain. ठीक है. Now once again I will, students, take you through the video that what is the structure of Himalaya, what is the strength of Himalaya. Okay, let's see, student. See, student, that how different types of boundaries form due to the movement of plate. Convergent boundary, students, divergent boundary and transform boundary. Okay, convergent boundary is formed when two tectonic plates come to each other. Okay, under which one plate, students, subsided under the other plate. Okay, while the divergent boundary after collision, students, move to the different side. And as you can see the transform boundary, students, see, this is the convergent boundary in which one tectonic plate, student, goes under the other, and that causes the folding and formation of Himalaya. Let's see Himalaya, students. See here through the red color, it is, students, we find there that this is the part of Himalaya which is signed with the color here, and this rises into three parallel lines. Okay, from river Indus to river Brahmaputra. Okay, to the east it became, students, narrower, and this is called Purvanchal, but this is the part of Himalaya, students. Okay, this is divided into three major part. Okay, this is divided into three parallel layers. Okay, students, Himadri, Lesser Himalaya and Middle Himalaya, students. Okay, so this is means in three parallel ranges that we call Himalaya, and the total length, students, of the Himalaya is 2400 kilometer. To the north, students, it is broader, but to the east, it is, students, narrower, which have the different radius. Okay, as you can see, student, to the north part there is the broader which have the width from 550, but under, students, here you can find 150 kilometer, student. Okay, so this was the Himalaya, student. Okay, now as you have seen, students, there that how the formation of Himalaya was formed, how this plate have the different types of movement also, and other plate, students, like the means convergent boundary, divergent boundary, and the other two. So we have already seen that how it happened, and I hope this time that you must understand well here to understand this chapter. it is essential, student, that you must go through the book and point out the major part of Himalaya, that how it is divided there. You must go through the self study, read the chapter, students, there. And even after that, if you feel any problem, students, you might ask a question from me. But this is the time that through the clip, through the video, I tried my level best to understand you, and I hope that this clip and the video all together will help you. Okay, so once again, students, I hope that you will see the video minutely, carefully, that will help you to understand it. Okay, tomorrow we will come with a different topic there later, that we will discuss. Okay, okay, student, now have a nice day. Have a nice day.